Hello students, today we will discuss the goal seeking and the scenarios. So what is goal seeking and how does it work and from where it works? It is a data tab. When you click this, you are having the what if analysis. When you click this, you are having the goal seek here. How to use it and what is the need to use it? For example, you are having your sales at 45,000 per month. You're having your profit 32,000 per month. At last you're having income, and the formula for the income is B1 plus B2. You press enter. Now if you want to find that if your income is increased to 1 lakh, what should be the profit and what should be the sale for it? Then you will use the goal seek process. If you want to know that if I want to have the income of 1 lakh, then what should be my profit and what should be my sales? For example, what you are going to do is you just go to cell which you want to increase. That is this cell, that is B3. Now you go to what if analysis and you go to goal seek. Now it is opening a dialog box, that is goal seek dialog box. Firstly it is asking for the set cell. Set cell means what value you want to increase, that what is your target value, that is B3. Okay. Now the other one is to value, it is increased to value 1 lakh. Okay. By changing cell, now you want to change your profit or you want to change your sales. It is your option. We needed that we want to increase our sales. We click this cell. Now when you press OK, look. Now it is showing you that if you want to get the income of 1 lakh, then your sales should be increased up to 68,000. It is the way how your goal seek works. When you are applying goal seek to any cell, then you should know it that the cell to which the value is increased should contain the formula. It should contain some formula. Now our next topic is the scenario. What is scenario and why do we use it? It's again on the data tab, what if analysis, and you're having the scenario manager here. Let's have a look on scenario. You're having the sales and the earnings and the cost prices, SPs of a theater here. You're having rental of this one, you're having amplification, lighting. These all are the expenses of your theater. You're having insurance, you're having ticket sales, food, merchant, and total revenue is this one. Your profit is this one. Now we want to create a scenario for all of this. What we have to do is you just select the cells to which you want to apply some scenario. Like you have selected these cells. You just go to data, what if analysis, go to Scenario Manager. When you click this, we have created the normal rates, that is these rates. We have also created the diamond rates, now we are going to add the silver rates. When you press OK, now it is asking for the values you want to change. At B4, we are going to put 100. At B6, we are going to provide you 2500 instead of 5000. At B7, instead of 600, we are going to apply the 400. Now you press OK. Now they are your silver rates. There are your normal rates, diamond rates, and your silver rates. Now when you press show, then it will show your silver rates. Look, you have created rental is 400, your talent is 2500. This one. When you are going to put normal rates, you press show, it will show your normal rates. When you are going to do diamond, then show, it will show your diamond rates. So they are the different scenarios at different rates. Now when you close it, it is going to show your normal rates. Now if you want to delete any of the scenario, you just press delete. If you want to add it, then it will be edited. If you want to merge two scenarios, then you just press the merge button. Your calculation here will be changed by changing all these values. So if you are having 3 departments in your theater, that you are having diamond, you are having silver, and you are having normal rates, then these scenarios will be very workful for you to get the profit of your theater of diamond rates, normal rates, and silver rates. Now there is a summary. If you press this, it is saying you want to have the summary or you want to having the table report. We are going to have the summary here. Result cell is B24. As you know, all this value, this result is depending upon all these values. So our result cell is B24. You press OK. It is going to create your summary. Yes, it is a scenario summary. Now your normal rates are these. Look, your diamond rates are these and your silver rates are these. This is your profit results, that when you are going to have the normal rates, you are going to profit this one. If you are having diamond rates, you are going to profit this one, silver rates. So this is very useful way to calculate your departmental profit throughout different scenarios. Thank you.